How to copy Twitter profile link. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about how you can go ahead and copy the Twitter profile link. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and install the X or the Twitter application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you're in the home page, go ahead and select any profile that you'd like to view. Once you're in that specific profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Now from this page, you will see the option of share. Tap on that. Now go ahead and copy the link. You can see the indication that it has been copied to clipboard. Copied the link of the specific profile that you prefer. Now you can go ahead and share it among your friends, family, or whoever is asking for the specific person's profile, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is exactly how you can go ahead and copy the Twitter profile link on Twitter or X application. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.